Mount Zion, it's revival time, May 19th, 26th, and June 2nd at all Wednesday services. Our first speaker, Bishop Lester Love of the City of Love Full Gospel Baptist Church in New Orleans will join us on May 19th.
One can chase 1,000, but two can chase 10,000. If you can just get one person can revolutionize a whole city. As a matter of fact, all I need is one person on every row. If I can get one praiser on every row, it will ignite a fire on everybody else. All love music is of God, and sometimes I just tell the Lord, always and forever. Each moment with you. Come on, y'all know it's just like a love me your own special way. Melt all my heart away with a smile.
These are a series of sermons you don't want to miss. Mark your calendar now for the 2010 Call to Greatness Revival, May 19th, 26th, and June 2nd.